cooperation and remaining seated during the entire performance, keeping all aisleways clear. Thank you and enjoy the show.
At the altar of Smith & Wesson. We the people know not what we do. The Purge is not about containing crime to one night and cleansing our souls by releasing aggression. It's about one thing: money. Who dies tonight? The poor. We can't afford to protect ourselves. We must pick up arms. This year, we will fight back.
Jose, Alex, perimeter check.
Impressive facility, Dickie. Now, you sure we're safe here?
100%, Senator. We're miles offshore. No one even knows we're here.
Right.
My husband and I take the Purge very seriously.
Well, yeah, it's for the good of the cause. Now, Dickie, where is this safe room?
Stand aside, honey. For the sake of discretion, sir, I haven't shared this with any of my team. Right. Not even my wife. Upstairs, 3rd level, you'll find a hatch. Inside there, you'll find a safe room, all for yourself.
Great, and the live streaming, that's been all set up in there, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Security cameras, CCTV. We've got all of Los Angeles County in there.
Fantastic. You know, I love watching these thugs tearing themselves to pieces.
Yes, sir.
I know you want to settle in, sir, but I have your post-Purge agenda to review. 9 a.m. press conference to highlight your role as the new founding father.
Because they love the Purge.
They sure do. And here is the statement I prepared for you.
Oh, it's perfect as always, Beth, in every way. Always in the right place at the right time. You're like the daughter I never had.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the initiation of the 2023 Purge. This annual event has been authorized by the U.S. government, and weapons of Class 4 and lower have been approved for use. All other weapons remain illegal during this 12-hour period. Beginning at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be permitted. Once the Purge concludes at 7 a.m., emergency medical services will be deployed. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn.
That sound gives me chills. It feel like a kid at Christmas morning. Oh, what's this?
Is that helicopter one of ours?
Oh, well, you know what? Just go ahead and signal them. Tell them I'm here.
Sir, maybe you should come down.
You know what? Maybe you should smile more. You look prettier down there. Hey! All right. Why? What's the matter? Can they get in? Go! I'm way ahead of you. Oh, that's big. It's game over, man. Game over.
Everyone, secure the perimeter and lock that gate. Jackie, keep those doors shut!
have a word. I'm looking for the senator, and he seems to be missing. We have one hell of a party planned, so where is the guest of honor? Anyone? Anyone at all? No? On their knees. There is no one, right? Where is he?
I don't know, I swear.
Yeah. Liar. Let me see her hand. I call this the truth. Oh, nice ring! Congratulations! You must have spent a fortune on that, huh, Dickie? Where's the senator?
I don't know.
Terrible, isn't it? See the ones you love get hurt. I know, I've been there. We've all been there. My sister and I watched our parents get purged. So, you're gonna hate what I do to your wife next.
Dickie, please just
Put
tell
her
her.
head down.
Let's stop it, let's stop.
Please!
Okay, okay, I'll tell you.
Nice choice.
I'll tell you nothing. Go, Jackie, get the high ground. I'll get there. You're gonna hate what I do to you next.
That's another soul on your head, Dickie!
There's about to be 3 more.
Now, Dickie, I'm gonna give you one last chance before I kill your wife! Where's the senator?
He pays me to protect him.
Yeah? And what about your wife?
Okay, I'll tell you. He's in the safe room. Up there. Just please don't hurt her.
Thank you, sir. Now, it's your turn to say goodbye to someone you love.
No.
Do it!
No. You murderer!
Get up to that safe room. Bring me the senator!
Hey! You looking for me?
The guest of honor.
Yeah.
It's about time.
I'll do it again.
Yeah? Great. Everyone, kill him.
Stop! I got influence. I know powerful people. Please, come on, let's make a deal, huh?
Don't
A deal.
beg, Phil. It's unbecoming.
Sir!
Oh, Beth, I gotta get out of here.
No!
Well, that's what you're here for. Do your job. Find something.
Okay.
Go!
Okay.
Now! Look. please. Please. Now listen, listen, you lowlifes. You don't know what I've done for this country.
Stop!
Beth. Right place as always, Beth. Don't beg. It's unbecoming. You're an idiot. Light 'em up, Beth.
I got this.
Well, then fire. Come on.
I don't think so. Stand